प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम।
Hello students, how are you? We are fine, thank you. Today I will take an activity, a fantastic activity. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, well done. So let's start. Hello Chintu. Standard second 3.2 activity time. Listen, tell and show. Are you ready for it? Yes sir, I am fully ready. Chintu, come here. Take this card and put it on the blackboard in the right place. Okay, sir. Am I right, sir? Yes, very good. Well done. Thank you, sir. Chintu, which things are available at here? Sir, there are many types things are available at here as like table, color chalk, duster and all. Correct. Chintu, take the duster in your hand and keep on the table. Okay, sir. Chintu, what is the spelling of cup? C-U-P, cup. Chintu, write the spelling of table on the blackboard. Okay, sir. Very good. Chintu, well done. Okay, Chintu, our activity is over. See you in the next time. Bye-bye. Okay, sir. Goodbye. Hello, guys. If you like to this video, please like and share and please subscribe. So, thank you very much.